Hello and welcome back to my channel, where I bring you the latest information on natural remedies for a healthy lifestyle. Today, we're going to talk about a very popular herb called catnip and its potential healing qualities for humans. What is catnip? Catnip, also known as Nepeta cataria, is a herb belonging to the mint family that is native to Europe and Asia, but now widely grown all over the world. It's well known for its effects on cats, who can't resist its scent and become excited and playful after smelling it. However, not many people know that catnip also has potential healing qualities for humans. Healing qualities of catnip. Catnip contains many compounds that are believed to have medicinal properties. For example, it contains nepetalactone, which is known to have calming effects on the body. This makes catnip useful in reducing anxiety and stress, promoting relaxation, and improving sleep quality. Catnip has also been traditionally used as a digestive aid. It can help soothe the stomach, relieve nausea, and reduce gas and bloating. Catnip tea has also been known to help stimulate the appetite, making it beneficial for people with a poor appetite or those undergoing chemotherapy. Catnip is also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce swelling, pain, and inflammation in the body, making it useful for conditions like arthritis, gout, and other inflammatory disorders. Furthermore, catnip has been found to have antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it useful in treating infections like colds, flu, and fungal infections. It's also believed to have a mild diuretic effect, helping to flush out toxins from the body. Catnip can be used in a variety of ways, including making tea, tinctures, or adding it to food as a spice. Here's how you can make catnip tea. Boil 1 cup of water in a pot. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried catnip leaves or flowers to the water. Turn off the heat and let the tea steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea and add honey or lemon juice to taste. Drink 1 to 2 cups of catnip tea daily. Note: it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before using catnip, especially if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, have a medical condition, or are taking medications. So in conclusion, catnip is a versatile herb with many potential healing qualities for humans. It can help reduce anxiety and stress, improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and fight infections. It's easy to use and can be incorporated into your daily routine to promote overall health and well-being. As always, be sure to consult with a healthcare provider before using any new herbal remedy. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, comment and share my videos, it'll be greatly appreciated.